Before Katniel broke up, Catherine Bernardo had a plan already with Hello, Love, Goodbye.
Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards. Hello, love, goodbye.
Collaboration with the one, the only, Alden Richards.
May mga lugar na pang matagalan.
May mga lugar na dinadaanan lang, parang Hong Kong.
Kaya bawat oras, dapat sulitin mo. Kasi walang nagtatagal dito.
This is where the whole narrative just flipped. No, ang ganda. Because tong project na to, it wasn't just a movie, it was a statement. Kasi sabi ni Katrina, I can generate a chemistry without history.
I love you.
Di kaso gusto kita eh. So sorry, I don't love you.
I can carry a story without a built-in fandom.
Kung mahal mo ako, bakit pinapapili mo ako?
Kung mahal mo ako, bakit hindi ako ang piliin mo, Joy?
Ethan, ngayon ko lang pipiliin yung sarili ko. Kailangan ko subukan. I just want you to give me the chance. Babalik din naman ako eh.
Sinasabi ni Katrina, I don't need a safety net. I am the net.
I love you all, pero paano naman ako? Alam niyo ba yung nilulunok ko sa trabaho para lang supportahan kayo? Sabihin niyo nang ambisyosa ako, pero mas mataas dito yung pangarap ko. I am more than this job. I want more. I want to be more.
I want more time with you.
Wala akong extra time para sa'yo.
The result, record-breaking numbers, yes. Commercial success and critically acclaimed, no?
Babalik ako ha.
Hintayin kita.
Sa isang project, Catherine proved na her value was never dependent in one man. If anything, no, kung ako tatungin, the equation was reversed. She wasn't surviving a breakup. She was expanding her market. Like and follow for more.